high-stakes conversations like interviews, investor pitches, and thesis defenses can be nerve-wracking. Introducing Sozo Pitch Helper, our AI assistant that allows you to practice in a realistic environment by engaging our multi-voice AI panel. You are going to meet Eric, Daniel, and Rachel as they help you prepare your presentation and perfect it before you do the real thing. So here's an example. Enjoy them grilling me about my business, Sozo Business Studio.
Hello, Raphael. I'm Eric. Joining me are Daniel and Rachel. We'll take turns. To kick off, let's talk about Sozo Business Studio as an AI-powered platform that automatically transforms business data into narrated reports, slides, and videos, enabling users to create compelling narratives quickly and efficiently.
Hi Eric, hi Daniel, hi Rachel.
Thanks for being here, Raphael. Can you elaborate on your usage-based pricing model and how it aligns costs with compute usage?
Okay, so the usage-based pricing model is based on what I expect the users to use from the platform. So the most expensive thing is going to be the video part. So it costs, I think, around 45 cents to 99 cents per project. So given that, and will allow users to have like 10 projects per month, it will come to, I think, $5 to $6 a month on the cost per user.
What assumptions are you making about compute costs and usage patterns to arrive at those per project cost estimates?
So the compute costs are based on the cost per image from the image generation models, as well as the amount of compute we use per when a project is being generated.
How does your pricing compare to existing solutions? And what validation do you have that customers are willing to pay that much for Sozo?
So we just use existing solutions to confirm our pricing. So text to video is known to be expensive and resource intensive, but there's a growing market there. So ours is applied to business use cases, to research, to analysis use case. So we are hoping that we retain users who are into that.
How are you measuring user retention? And what specific metrics will indicate that your pricing is well aligned with the value provided?
So we're measuring user retention by how many projects are done per user and how often our users use the application. So far we've got a closed beta group using the app, I think around 49 users. So we've discovered that when they use the app, they use it so much. Let's say if it's not really like an everyday thing, but when they sit down to use the app, they generate a lot of projects.
What are the key risks to your go-to-market strategy, and how are you mitigating them?
So this is a world I would need a co-founder to help navigate with me. So I'm looking for marketing co-founders as well as business co-founder to add on to my technical expertise.
We'll circle back after reviewing your materials. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
So here are the results from my presentation. And as you can see that it analyzes my performance during the presentation and then gives me scores on content, resilience, engagement, and the like. So if I keep on practicing, I'll eventually be better at explaining the concept behind my business as well as the business metrics themselves. Thank you.